Welcome, fall pumpkin spice and all. This was a cute little idea that just went aha when I was at the Dollar Tree. I thought these pumpkins would make a cute little gift card holder for your teachers or school secretary, even just for a special friend. You just want to lift up their spirits or whatever. They are so cute, and after they take the gift card out, they still have a cute little decoration to set on their desk or their home or wherever. So what I did is I cut that pumpkin a slot in the back. So be real careful when you're doing this. Don't cut yourself. I had a long blade little saw that I could use along with my little X-Acto knife. So I just cut a little slot in the back. Then I decided to cover it with a little tool. And I saw this tool done on another project. And I went, aha, we could still do this. So what I did is I played with it a little bit, and if you just do 3 pieces of tulle, that's more than enough for these little pumpkins. If you do any more than that, it just gets overbearing. So we just are going to Mod Podge a few little bling blings onto this, because to know me is to know you got to play with your Mod Podge and your flat back rhinestones. And I use those just to cover the little dings that you have. When you buy them at the Dollar Tree, they usually are dinged up a little bit. So I just use those as placements to put the little bling blings on. Mod Podge dries clear, so you can never go wrong with that. You're not going to have that gobbly goop left over. And then on the tool, I figured out that if you twist the bottom, it's going to lay better. So just wrap it and twist it on the bottom and fluff it out. It's pretty much that easy. You can use a pipe cleaner, a ribbon, a zip tie to tie that on the top, or you can just make a knot. Whatever you're comfortable and what works best for you. That's it. Pretty easy, huh? So what you're going to do now is just pull the tool away from that little slot when it's all said and done, for you can put your gift card in there, and then after you take the gift card out, you're just going to pull the tool back over it. So now that we've got that all fluffy, leave it long, because you're going to put a couple little flowers on there, and it's going to act as a little bow, and it's that easy. So if you're looking for something fun to do, for just a little special, hey, I thought of you today, you get a little gift card. Give it to your kiddo to take to their teacher, score some points, school secretary, principal, whoever, whatever. And it's just a nice way of saying, hey, thank you and happy fall, y'all. And until next time, may the Lord bless you and keep you. Be thankful for everything we have. We are so blessed here. And until next time, peace out.